Dear friends, in almost all competitive examinations, you are supposed to get one or two questions related to conditional sentences. Conditional sentences are the sentences that have an if clause. Basically, there are three types of conditional sentences: type 1, type 2 and type 3. The first one is known as open conditions or real conditions. The second one is hypothetical condition or unreal condition, and the third one is called unfulfilled past condition. No doubt some variations to each type exist, but getting a knowledge of the basic structure of these three types is very vital. Today in this video I will discuss the structure and use of type 1 conditional sentences. All conditional sentences have two parts, the if clause part and the main clause part. And the type 1 conditional sentences are also no exception. They also have those two parts. They are also constituent of two parts, the if clause part and the main clause part. Let us take an example. The example sentence is, I would like to give you a situational sentence. The example sentence is, if you like, share and comment my videos, then I will continue my YouTube channels. Yes, this is an example sentence. If you like, share and comment my videos, then I will continue my YouTube channels. This sentence is a conditional sentence and it is a type 1 conditional sentence. In this sentence, the part if you like, share and comment my videos is the if part, and I will continue my YouTube channels is the main clause part. The example sentence, if you like, share and comment my videos, I will continue my YouTube channels, is an open condition. This is also a real condition. We say it to be a real condition or open condition because this condition is likely to happen, or we can say it is probable. So it is called an open condition or a real condition. Now, the most important thing, I will give you a formula to learn the basic structure of an open condition. The formula is, if I do X, Y will be the result. Remember this one. If I do X, Y will be the result. On the screen you see, I have written down the formula. If I do X, Y will be the result. What does the formula say? It denotes that in the if clause part, the verb do is in the present tense. Yes, the verb here is do and it is in present form. We have used neither did nor done. We used do. That is the present form of the verb. Now come to the main clause. In the main clause, the verb be is used with the modal will. It means for open conditions, we use the present form of the verb, and in the main clause, will is used with the infinitive form of the verb. We can also use other modals like can, may in place of will. Let us take some more examples. If you shout like this, I will leave the classroom. In a conditional sentence, you can change the order of the clauses. You can also say the same sentence like this: I will leave the classroom if you shout like this. This interchangeableness is permissible. Let us take some more examples. If it rains, I will postpone the meeting. She will get angry if I am late to home. All these conditions are real conditions. I must mention it again that these conditions are called open or real conditions because they are open to fulfillment and probable in future. Probability, this factor makes them real conditions. It can be best understood if you remember the formula. If I do X, Y will be the result. I was taught like this to learn if clause. If I do X, Y will be the result. Let me give you a question now based on type 1 conditional sentence. This is the question. You have to put the words in correct form which are in the bracket. The question is, if say blank within bracket work hard, comma, C blank within bracket pass. You have to use the appropriate forms of the verb given in the bracket. In the if clause part, the verb is work. Please refer the question. On the screen it is visible. The if clause part. In the if clause part, the verb is work. And in the main clause part, the verb is pass. As per the rule, the if clause part will take the simple present, while the main clause will take will or can or may plus infinitive. So the answer is, if she works hard, she will pass. Dear friends, in my next video I will discuss the type 2 condition. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.